Here's problem 1. It gives us coordinate values and wants to know the sine and cosine value of theta, given that theta is in the first quadrant, the terminal side is in the first quadrant, and the initial side is at 0 degrees. So basically we have this coordinate grid, and what we have is we have this point 3, 4. So you go over 3 up to a height of 4, and there's that point. And what it's asking is it has this line, the terminal side's in the first quadrant. It wants to know theta right here, given that we make a triangle here. What is that angle right there? And it wants to know the sine of that and the cosine of that. Well, since it told us that this point right here is located at 3, 4, we actually already know 2 of the 3 sides of that right triangle. Pythagorean theorem will help us figure out the third side. Well, you came over 3, so this leg is 3. You went up 4, so this leg is 4. So we already know it's a 3, 4 something triangle. Now, that should be obvious. It should be a 3, 4, 5 because that's a Pythagorean triple we know. But if not, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. Solve for c, you're going to get 5. Now it's easy. We want the sine of theta. Sine is the opposite value divided by the hypotenuse. Well, what is opposite? Opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5, so this is 4/5. The cosine. Cosine is your adjacent value divided by your hypotenuse. Well, the adjacent is 3, the hypotenuse is 5, so it's 3/5. It's that simple. You're going to have to draw the triangle each time. You'll always, if it's given a coordinate value, you can always know this x and the y height. You'll always know these two. Use Pythagorean theorem to get the hypotenuse, and then simply do whatever it asks you. That easy.